Hi guys, this is Agels and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to use this beautiful braid, guys. It's a two-tone braid and it's on color B34. So what I'm going to do, two lines of crochet. Yeah, so I'm going to use each braid per line. Yeah, each braid per line, so that's why I'm using two packets, because I'm doing two lines. And then what you're going to need is a crochet. So before I get to the video, I just want to say to all those who are new, guys, I welcome you. Feel free at home. I hope you enjoy, I hope you like my videos, I hope you stay. Also guys, don't forget to leave the comment in the comment section, or subscribe, or just say something, or leave your girl a heart. I really appreciate. Please guys, watch the video till the end. I'm sure and I promise you enjoy watching this tutorial. And to all those my day one, my old subscribers, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate for your support, for showing your girl some love. It means a lot to me, guys. Guess what, guys, we are growing, the family is growing, and I was not going to do this on my own without your support, without your love. I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate for showing me love, guys. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's get to the video. So what I'm doing here is I sectioned my hair into half. Yeah, I did section my hair into half because I'm doing two lines, don't forget me. So if you can, or if you're like me, you can do you can do this method that I'm doing. But if you feel like this method that I'm doing is kind of like tricky for you, you can do that other method of using wool, or you can do that other method of just applying that styling gel hold, or you can do that other method of just splitting a simple contour line, just simple line, as long as too tight. So there are three ways of sectioning this part that I'm doing now. The first one is just a simple contour line. The second one, you use wool. The third one, you apply the gel. The fourth one is the one that I'm doing here. So it's up to you guys. Use or do the one which you are comfortable in doing, the one which is easier for you, as long as we are doing the same thing. At the end, the results are the same. Don't forget that, guys. What matters is what we are doing at the end is the same thing. So it doesn't matter you did this one or you did that other one, oxalayo, the results are the same. So I've sectioned my hair the way I did. Then after that, I did my contour line, and then after that I used my crochet. Guys, just stay tuned and watch this video, watch this tutorial till the end, and you enjoy it, guys. I'm sure you will like and enjoy my tutorial. Just take a closer look and see what I was doing in this video, especially the part of crochet for those who can't do crochet. Yeah, I try to do it in a clear way so that you can see nicely. So just stay tuned and make sure you watch it closely, and please don't fast forward, just watch it till the end. I'm sure it will be helpful for someone. Yeah, that's how we learn, guys. Me, I learn from other experts. Those other experts, they learn from other experts. It's a chain. It's a chain. So yeah, I hope this video will help someone. So let's get to the video, guys. Let me not talk too much. Let's just get to the video. Also, make sure your line is tight, guys. Make sure your line is tight, it's not loose, because remember we are going to crochet on top of this line, so make sure it's secure enough, it's tight, not that tight so that you can have it. No, just make it tight in a way you can manage to do crochet on top of it, ne? All right. That's my crochet. For those who don't have crochet, guys, can get this crochet in those shops that sell hair. Yeah, if you can enter any shop that sell hair, or those shops where they sell like things for hair, yeah, you can get it, and in a cheaper price. So it's a thing that you must have. So here I'm just showing you how I did my crochet, ne? The first one, I made sure I did not leave it like that, because this one is the first one that I'm going to section into 3 parts. So I made sure I tied it up, ne? So yeah, as you can see, the rest will be the same like the second one. So just take a closer look, because see the way I insert my crochet, and then see the way I hook my hairpiece. You see, guys? Okay, if you see it, thank you very much. Let me not talk too much, let me just leave you so that you watch and enjoy the video. Don't make a mistake, just do the same way I'm doing, especially when you're doing your crochet, so that you won't pull your hair by mistake. Remember, I said I'm going to section the first one into 3. So as you can see, that's what I did here. I sectioned the first one into 3 so that it will be easier for me to start up my cornrow line, to be easier for me. So that's why, and that's the reason why I sectioned it into 3, so that I'll have an easy way to be easy for me to just continue with the braiding. And don't rush, just take your time. Take your time and make sure you're not hating yourself, and make sure that what you're doing is very neat. Yeah, just take your time. No one is rushing you. No one is rushing you, girl. So just take your time. Just play around with your head. Oh, guys, braiding your hair is very tricky. It's difficult, guys. It's not easy, but what can I say? What can I say? We are used to it, but it's not easy, guys. Sometimes you wish to do something, or you want to do a certain hairstyle. When you do it, you feel like, this one is challenging me, and you'll be like, I can't do this one. I can't do this one. So yeah, sometimes it's too tricky. It's very, very tricky sometimes. But there are some people out there who are gifted to a certain point of which they can do any hairstyle, anything they want on their head. And then there are some people who are on medium level, and then some people are still learning. So you see, there are levels. So slowly but sure, guys, one day we'll get there. We are still learning. One day we'll get there. Yeah. So I'm done with this side, and then I'm going to do exactly what I did on this side to this side. Exactly. I'm going to repeat the same. I'm done, guys. I'm done, and that's my final look, guys. What do you think? What do you say, guys? The way I'm so excited, I did it, guys. It was not easy, but I challenged myself. Yo, I'm so happy. So guys, just let me know in the comment section, what do you say? How do you rate this hairstyle, guys? Just let me know. Just let me know, guys. Yo, I'm so excited. It was not easy, but anything for you guys, I just deliver. Anything for you, I'm there to deliver. Oh God, just let me know, guys. See how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness, the color, guys, is giving. Yo, and the same play, Hi guys, in the play. If you've got any question, guys, don't hesitate to ask me. I'm there to answer. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope guys you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye. Love you.